Hello everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard, also known as Poor Man. And today's video, we're going to show you how we built an air filter system.
Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer, also known as Mrs. Poorman. Today we're going to show you how we build a version of air filter systems. But since Poorman took it upon himself to build this project alone, he is not going to be allowed to talk. Instead, today I have a very special guest with me.
Hello everyone, my name is Christine, aka Mini Poorman. So let's get back to the regular scheduled video. But remember, if you like this video, please comment or subscribe or give it a thumbs up.
And cue music! If you have watched Poorman DIY videos, you may have realized that we are very much into safety.
One might say too much at times.
Kidding aside, one of the biggest concerns is with sawdust.
Did you know that sawdust is a carcinogen?
Because of this, Mr. Poorman always wears a respirator. Even still, when working in confined areas, very fine particles of sawdust are in the air, so it's best to use an air filter system.
There are very nice air filter systems on the market, but can cost several $100s.
We did some research based on Izzy Swan's YouTube channel and learned a lot about filters and found that you can make an inexpensive filter that can function nearly as well as the expensive one.
So today, we are making air filters the poor man's way. The concept is very simple. Connect a filter to a box fan.
To begin, a couple brackets will need to be attached to the fan. Poorman bent a couple thin pieces of metal that he had on hand.
Mark where he was going to drill holes. Drill holes and attach the brackets to the fan using small bolts and screws.
Next, he marked where to drill the holes in the wall, where it will be mounted.
Then he inserted anchors into the drywall. After this was completed, he then screwed the fan into place.
Now that it is mounted, he reattached the screen on the fan. Then he slid the filter into place and tested it out. Now that the wall-mounted air filter is finished, we wanted to make a portable one as well.
As with the first fan, brackets needed to be made, but in this case we needed 3. The extra bracket is to keep the filter from sliding out the bottom. On the wall-mounted version, the wall itself helped keep the filter in place.
Once again, Mr. Poorman started by removing the front screen of the fan. He marked where the brackets needed to be installed, and drilled away.
Next, he bolted the brackets on the fan.
This time he attached the legs that came with the fan to help prevent it from tipping over.
And just like that, we have 2 4-man air filter systems.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We expect Mr. Poorman to make a full recovery by next week and will participate in next week's video.
So until then, bye-bye. Did you know that sawdust is a what is it?
Okay, no.
Carcinogen. Did you know that sawdust is a carcinogen?